to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing boho ponytail style. This is so cute. I never tried it on my hair before. Just super excited to do this hair tutorial. It's super in-depth. Take notes, do whatever you need to do so that you can body this on yourself as well. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends. You can also add me on TikTok as well. I post pretty frequently on there. Other than that, we can just get straight into today's video. I took a shower, I brushed it out, I made sure that it's like extremely detangled, like to the T, because I didn't want to have to deal with that while I'm trying to film for you guys. I made sure baby that it was combed out. Looking like right now, it doesn't have any product in it. So first things first, we're gonna do a straight part. It's extremely straight. So looks pretty good to me. Comb is really stupid, y'all, because it broke. Oh, thick hair issues. Because this hairstyle, I want it to look extremely sleek here, and then we could slick it and add the bundles. Before we get any further in today's video, I'm literally on my hair growth journey, not to the exact length that I would like my hair to be. By the end of next year, I want my hair to literally be down here. Well, let's not. Well, it's possible. It's possible with rice water and, you know, hot oil treatments and massaging hair growth oil into my scalp. It's possible. Okay, we're not gonna shoot my dreams down. But this will be down in the description. The bottle is so pretty and it has roses in it. It's so cute. It has grown and thickened my hair so much. Like, when I say my hair is thicker than it has ever been, it's crazy. Like, honestly, I'm so proud of myself and just my hair journey and how far I've come. So we're gonna add some oil right now. I am pretty generous with this stuff because I do have a head full of hair on my head, so I do use a lot. It lasts me a very long time. It's just overall extremely good for healthy hair. If you have split ends, if you have a bald spot, y'all, oh my gosh, let me tell y'all, if you guys have a bald spot, I used to always wear my hair up in this high ponytail. I'll put a picture right here. I still do occasionally, but I don't really do it as much as I used to because I got a bald spot from it. But when I tell you that I use this oil, I literally use this oil, you guys. My hair grew back in 3 weeks. My bald spot was big. I'm literally gonna put a picture right here so you guys can see.
Look down. Courtney, oh my God, I'm afraid for your life. Have you seen that?
No, but I feel it. It's a hole in my
Courtney.
head. I swear it's from my ponytail in New York. It's on my head like this.
You're bald.
When I say this is 100% natural and organic, and it's just, bro, I cannot stress this enough. All hair types can use it as well. It's very inexpensive, smells amazing. I just love this oil so much. It's amazing. Like, that's all I have to say. It'll be down in the description down below if you guys are interested. As you guys can see too, I focus a lot on my end. I'm gonna keep this in for a few days. Hair edges and around. Y'all, it's gonna be slick. Like, it's gonna look like somebody licked my head. My arms are I really hope one day God gives me daughters, because even if I have little boys though, one day they're never gonna cut their hair and their hair is gonna be down their back. Not too tight though, you guys, because you don't want to get a bald spot like me in the past. That was so sad. I was like, but it grew back hella fast because of that oil. I'm trying to tell you. Don't sleep. Okay. So that's that. It's lit. Bye. Okay. Look how late that is. I'm just a perfectionist, so that's why I'm trying to make sure that it's like. I'm gonna do the braid.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's something. love this girl and from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't change. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can try, make it different.
This hair is so pretty. I've never done this before. You just put the bobby pin on the track like so. Your hair. I feel like this is overall like safer and better than glue. I don't like glue in my hair, honestly. I just put it down like that. And then you start wrapping it around. But yeah, I don't do glue in my hair because anymore. I'm not sure, but it probably did rip my hair out in the past. I'm not totally sure, but I just know better, and when you know better, you do better, baby. I'm gonna be using 2 bundles so that it could be really, really full. How long it's gonna be, you guys?
The score, you said my sex was a lie, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess.
Can't even drink Cristal on this one.
Doesn't it feel like y'all just kicking in my room with me and I'm teaching y'all how to do y'all hair? Yeah, I know.
Can't roll a blunt up to this one, boy.
What's your name?
So now we're gonna finish adding the hair. This is the second bundle we're gonna be adding. It smells so good because of my conditioner I put in. Coming soon, period.
Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night some. Now she don't like him. She never met him. Groupies try to take advantage of him. He won't let him. He don't need him. So he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me. She don't agree with him. She's mad at that. He's not having that.
As you can see, it's almost done. With the last piece, I tuck it like this. You guys see? I tuck it down underneath like this. Then I wrap it like this. So that you won't see any tracks. Then I get Got to Be Glue spray. This is the Got to Be Glue spray. So I just shake it up. This is a piece that I'm going to be wrapping around the ponytail. Make sure that no tracks are showing, y'all. Make sure. Then I brush it out so it can be flat. And wrap it around the ponytail where I just sprayed it so it could cover the ponytail. And any possible tracks.
Can't even drink Cristal on this one.
Okay, lastly, for the fun part. Oh, before I do that, actually, I'm gonna add some oil. So bomb. Especially if you just want extreme shine in your hair, y'all. This oil is go-to. So beautiful. Now for the fun part, to bring this hairstyle all together, you're gonna take your rubber bands. Hopefully it does not pop because this hair is really thick. I'm gonna try to stretch them out like this. Hopefully it doesn't pop. You're gonna start at the top. So she's mad at that. He's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets. She sees more than a gonna add the rubber band on there and then bring it up to your liking. I'm gonna stop it like here. And then you see how I'm like fluffing it out. That's one. Then you're gonna take another rubber band and you're gonna add this one. This style is overall really easy. It's so cute. I didn't stretch this out good enough, so hopefully it doesn't pop on me while I'm trying to do this hairstyle. So cute already. Oh my gosh, I know. It's still gonna look good. Yes, like that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, let's do edges really quick. Show you guys my everyday edges, or should I be spontaneous? I don't know. I should just show you guys my everyday edges. Who is calling my phone? Long Beach. Who is that, my man? I'm really a clown. And then on the left side of your face, of course, to the right, I grab a little piece right here sometimes, and I swoop it to the right as well, just to add a little razzle dazzle. I've been doing my edges like this since high school though. So cute. Swoop my sideburns too. This hairstyle is so cute. Are you joking? Who is this man calling my phone, y'all? Should I answer? Oh my gosh, should I answer? Wait, why I feel like I know that number? Oh shit! Oh shit! Ciao. Oh, I'm not answering today. Bro, if that's who I think it is, he could text me, because I'm not about to answer the phone right now. I'm busy. To make sure that it's laid, your scarf, your silk scarf, you're gonna tie it down 5 minutes. And when I take it off, it should be laid. Wow, this is so cute. Hey you guys, that is the end for today's video. I hope you guys loved it. I really hope you guys try it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys try this on your hair. Wow, y'all, this is so beautiful. Like, it's so cute. And for today's video, I love you guys so much. We're growing. We're already at 600 subs. Let's get to 1K. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye. He's trying to take advantage of him. He won't let him. He don't need him. So he treats him like he treats him. Better them than me. She don't agree with him. She's mad at that. He's not having that. So those opposites attract like magnets.